Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Mike, I'm 70 years of age and I help seniors and beginners use AI to make life easier, simpler and yes, even a little more profitable. Today I'm sharing 5 easy AI side hustles you can start using ChatGPT even if you have no tech skills at all. These ideas don't require social media followings, special software or long hours. Just curiosity and maybe a nice cup of tea. And by the way, this video is part of my brand new playlist designed to help seniors build confidence and income using AI step by step. So if you enjoy this one, check out the others as I add them. So let's get straight into it. Side Hustle 1. Personalised greeting cards using AI. This one is perfect if you enjoy sentimental messages or have a creative side. Here's how it works. People go online looking for ready-made greetings card messages all the time. For birthdays, anniversaries, retirement, sympathy, you name it. You can create beautiful personalised card messages using ChatGPT, then sell them on platforms like Etsy, Fiverr, or even on your own website. Etsy has its own built-in traffic, as does Fiverr. Both are an excellent way to sell personalised greetings card messages. I've made some screenshots which I'll be showing you of actual prompts I fed into ChatGPT and ChatGPT's responses. Prompt 1. Grandmother birthday message. Prompt entered into ChatGPT. Write me a heartfelt birthday message for a 70-year-old grandmother who loves gardening and classical music. ChatGPT's response. Happy 70th birthday to a truly wonderful grandmother. Your life, like your garden, has been nurtured with patience, love and care, and it shows in everything you do. You have a rare gift for helping things grow, whether it's flowers in the soil or love in the hearts of everyone around you. May your special day be filled with peaceful moments, beautiful music, and the gentle joy you bring to others every single day. Here's to quiet mornings, blooming gardens, favourite melodies, and many, many more years of happiness. With all our love, today and always. Why this works for seniors. It's calming and creative. No technical skills needed. You can sell the same card design hundreds of times. You can work at your own pace. AI will produce endless creative messages for you. A very easy, low-pressure income idea. Side Hustle 2. Simple ebooks with ChatGPT. Now, before you think, oh no, I can't create a book, don't worry, you're not writing a novel. You're creating short, helpful guides. These can be things like Beginner's Guide to Decluttering Your Home, Easy Budgeting Tips for Retirees, How to Grow Herbs on a Balcony, Pet Care for Seniors on a Budget. ChatGPT helps outline the book and even writes the first draft. You simply edit the wording to sound like yourself. Then you upload it to Amazon, Kindle, Payhip or Gumroad. Why this works? Passive income once uploaded. Great for anyone with life experience. You control the price. ChatGPT speeds up 90% of the work. Even a 20-page booklet can sell well if it's helpful and beginner-friendly. Side Hustle 3, AI-powered resume and cover letter service. This one is incredible because it helps people and it's badly needed. Many job seekers struggle with writing resumes. You can offer a simple, affordable service. I will improve your CV or write a professional cover letter using AI. ChatGPT handles the heavy lifting. You just copy and paste the information, select the tone and edit if needed. Prompt 3 CV summary rewrite. Prompt entered into ChatGPT. Rewrite this CV summary to sound professional, confident and friendly. Client pastes their CV summary below the prompt. Example CV summary provided by client. I've worked in different jobs over the years and experienced dealing with customers. I'm reliable and work well with others and on my own. I'm looking for a stable job. ChatGPT's response: I'm a reliable and personable professional with experience across a variety of roles, bringing strong customer service skills and a positive can-do attitude. I work well independently and as part of a team, and I take pride in being dependable, organised, and easy to work with. I'm now seeking a stable role where I can contribute my skills and support the success of my team. Why this works well for seniors. You've lived through careers, you understand work better than 20-year-olds. There's huge demand. You can charge £10 to £30 per CV. No tech experience needed. Start at your own pace, no pressure. Platforms like Fiverr or Facebook local groups are perfect to get started. Side Hustle 4. YouTube script writing. Even if you never want your own channel. Thousands of YouTubers need scripts, especially for short videos. You use ChatGPT to create 60-second scripts, intro hooks, explain your video scripts, storytelling scripts. You don't need to appear on camera, you don't even need editing skills, just writing. Prompt 4. YouTube script writing. 60-second script. Prompt entered into ChatGPT. Write me an engaging 60-second script about the benefits of morning walks for seniors. ChatGPT's response. Did you know that one of the best things you can do for your health doesn't cost a penny? A gentle morning walk can improve balance, strengthen your heart, and help ease stiff joints, all while lifting your mood for the rest of the day. Even 10 minutes of walking in the fresh air can reduce stress, improve sleep, and boost energy. It's also a wonderful way to clear your mind and start the day feeling positive and in control. You can sell these scripts on Fiverr, Upwork, Facebook groups, Reddit communities. Why it's great for seniors? Very low stress, you can write at your own pace, lots of demand, can turn into a regular monthly income. Side Hustle 5. AI prompt selling. This is one of the fastest growing new digital income ideas. People are willing to buy a good prompt because they want quick results without experimenting. You can sell prompt packs like real estate agent prompts, Etsy shop prompts, weight loss motivation prompts, Canva design prompts, productivity prompts. How you do it? You create a set of prompts in a niche, test them with ChatGPT, and then package them into a PDF. Sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip. Why this works? Mini digital product, no design skills needed. You can create them in an afternoon, and buyers want ready-made results. The next step. So there you have it. 5 easy AI side hustles perfect for seniors, even if you've never used AI before. If one of these stood out to you, choose it and just start. You don't need to be fast and you don't need to be perfect. You just need to take the next step. And if you want more ideas and step-by-step guidance, make sure to watch the next video in this playlist, where I'll show you just how ChatGPT can help you build simple income streams even if you're a complete beginner. Don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment below telling me which side hustle you'd like to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.